what is your name?
So, hello, my name is Christelle.
Yeah. Hi, Crystal. Nice to meet you. So, Crystal, can you please give me 5 things that you would like about Filipino guy?
Like their characteristics or
Yes,
yeah.
characteristics.
So, what I like about Filipinos are their personality to help others, even in times that they are like having troubles in themselves, but with their love for to help others, they give effort and time to aid them. And the second is, ano pa man, anong, yeah, respect. The way that they respect others, especially we are living in a globalized world ba ya? And there are foreigners that travels here. And so to show nga kanang that we really love our country, we respect them in a way that we like if kanang mo ani sila, we kanang sa tour gani, kanang we properly or kanang like it's what I observe from our kanang mga tour guides nato sa kanang mga different mga tourist attraction ba nga. They're really ensuring nga kanang ang mga foreign kay maka feel gyud sa kanang beauty gyud sa kanang lugar.
Yeah, they will ensure the beauty of here in our country.
Appreciate the beauty niya.
Okay.
And it shows in the way that they respect people.
Okay.
And unsa pa man I'm nervous pa man. Ay, unsa pa malain?
Don't be nervous, please. What else? What
I'm
else?
spouting every sagunsa na lang. Unsa pa man? Jam, can you give an idea? Palinta? Or no one man? Respect, service,
Yeah, that's hospitality.
hospitality, yes.
What else?
Saan wait. Pwede i-pause sa magkunahuna pa ko. So, the third and last na lang. Okay, like tolo na lang.
Yes, go
So,
ahead.
the resilience of the Filipino people, especially in times sa kanang there are like we are living in a competitive world nga murag kanang need yun nga mag-survive pa.
Alright.
And their ability to be resilient or to stay strong regardless of this kanang mga circumstance that they are in a hard situation.
Okay, can you give me also 5 things that you don't like about Filipino men?
Filipino men?
That you don't like, red flags for you.
I don't know if I should say this because
Okay, go ahead. You
this
have
is
ever-
just like something that I observe and
Okay, go
like,
tell.
some men really I hate is they are I don't need to say this.
Okay, go ahead. What else?
Kanang word kanang like the way that they act is kanang word
Oh,
in terms sa kanang sexual matters pa.
okay, they're aggressive in the terms of sexual
Yeah,
matters.
some like marinan.
Yeah, some are forceful to do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially nga kanang napoy mga bata ba kanang na-open na sila sa kanang
So it's like younger age. They're
where
open,
they
open
are
like
already
that.
yes.
So
But I know that they have to know about it but still kanang murag ang actions ba murag
okay, it's not
they are
that.
not aware nga kanang murag something nga kanang they still need to be or to act appropriately. Basta murag something like
Okay.
that.
So can you please give me 5 things that you like about foreigner?
Ay, foreigner. Kung saan pang-apang? Makayaw na kong apang.
You like a foreigner? Okay. Can you give me 5?
I'm aiming for
You're aiming. Okay. Okay, give me 5 things that you like about foreigner.
Like, some are kanang one thing about first kanang their ability to like focus on their personal growth. There has been a study nga that Americans or like kanang mga Westerners, unlike us Filipinos that we are family oriented, the Americans like focus on their personal growth, and I like that about them because like they really kanang 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 focus on their growth in a way nga kanang yes they know in themselves nga kanang isang word na blanco man ko that they can affect others but still given that or thinking that they only live one life and that they want to kanang really live it to the way that they want.
All right. Okay, give me five
Murag,
things.
yeah, like
Yeah,
that.
okay. So give me five things that you don't like about the foreigner.
Yeah. Also, the same with Filipinos, like the pervert, and that's like,
All right. Okay, that's true. That's true.
yeah, like some of them are really into sexual like things,
Okay.
and I'm not comfortable with that, or I'm just close-minded. Really?
All right. Which one you prefer today? A man who has great sense of humor or or smart man?
Yeah, that's an easy question. I would always prefer a smart man.
Why?
Because when we say a smart man, this man knows. This man, oh, this man knows a lot of things. Has high EQ that can feel, that can understand our feelings in a way that they will be able to treat us right and at the same time treat themselves right. And in a way, this can contribute to their like betterment. Like they can be, Esa, Esa? Looks like I'm grumbling na yun. Um, a smart man yun. Because they are wise. They know what is right from wrong. They are, with their kanang knowledge, they know how to discipline themselves. Yeah. They
Even
know.
though he is boring.
No, I really like talking about interesting things and something that is not common. Like mostly people or the boys nowadays mostly kanang focus on romance, but I don't really like or like I value or I want to engage in different types of topics, and that is one of the personality or the characteristics of a smart man.
Okay. So in the future, how many children would you plan on having?
Um, that's a hard or a tough question to answer because
Yeah.
um I haven't really planned or I haven't really thought about that.
Yeah.
Especially nga, I haven't been in a relationship
Mm-hmm.
and but if given a chance in the future,
Yeah,
I
yes.
would like to have or I would like to have two or maybe three kids.
Okay. If it's given a chance, would you like a Filipino or half
I think
foreign?
apam gito ani guys.
Foreign.
50-50 or 60-40. 60 for the foreign.
Foreign baby.
Yeah.
And 40 for Filipino.
Yes.
Okay. How do you feel if your Pinoy boyfriend or foreigner partner cheated on you?
Like generally, everyone would feel bad. Like they would question themselves, why? Is there something wrong with me? Did I do something or kanang am I not good enough? Like that, they will question their worth. So what was the question again?
Yeah, what would you feel if your
I would
boyfriend?
feel really bad,
Okay.
honestly.
So, what would you do about the issue? What would you do about that cheating issue?
If there is a cheating issue that happens, I believe I will let go of the person.
Oh, so you wouldn't give him a chance.
I will let him explain, and based on that, I will like timbang or kanang balance whether I give him a chance or not.
Okay, so would
Because
you forgive him and forget and move on with him?
no, 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 I never forget.
Would it bother you if the man has different religion? If the man you're dating has a different religion, would it bother you?
Ideally, ideally speaking, yeah, it would bother me
Why?
because certain differences can really sometimes hinder your relationship, especially if kanang you're not used to it, and like especially if you are born kanang originally are you are a Christian born and you are used to the culture
Yeah.
and you divert to another culture.
Yeah, divert to another religion.
But yeah, idealistically, if I really love the person, I believe I will be okay to.
Okay. So you're open to.
Yeah,
to
I'm
that.
open.
Okay.
Last na?
Mm. Which one would you prefer to date? A tall man or a short guy?
Oh my God! This is really funny. Like
Mhm.
recently, earlier lang yun, we talked about that.
Okay.
And for me, I
Mm.
would really prefer a tall man.
Oh, how
Because
tall are you?
I'm 5'2", 5'3".
Oh, we're same.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm somewhat tall, so, and for me lang,
Mm.
I don't really, it's not visually appealing to have someone like I'm tall and I have a short boyfriend.
Yeah.
Like for me, it's not visually appealing and I really kanang like aesthetics or something that is beautiful. So
Yeah.
yeah,
So what is
I
your
would
height
prefer
preference?
a tall man.
Yeah, what is the height preference?
As long as kanang we are not the same height or
Yeah.
like he's a bit taller than me or can be more taller.
Okay, like 6 foot.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or
yeah.
oh my god, maybe that's really tall. Or just I would be content. Inani lang.
Okay,
This
like
height.
5'5" or 5'6".
Yes.
Right. All right. Thank you so much for being
Okay.
candid to the Candid Filipina. Thank you. Bye.